Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to delete a Facebook group. But before getting started, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. First of all, click these groups and here you will get all your Facebook group. Simply click above the group which you want to delete. So right now I'm gonna delete this group, so I'm clicking on it. After that, click on people. Here will show up all the members of the group. Each member has to be removed from here one by one. So I'm gonna removing all the group. I'm hover over this group member and clicking on this three dot icon and now clicking remove member. Okay, confirm. I'm again going to people and here I'm removing this member from here. And here we can see total 1 members available in this group, and this 1 member is my account admin. So right now all I have to need, just click here and now click on leave group. Are you sure that you want to leave Lovers Land? As you are the last member, leaving now will also delete this group. Now click this delete group. And here we can see this group has been deleted. This is how we can delete a Facebook group. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you.